Are you trying to upgrade Windows 11? Or did you just get a brand new SSD, only to find out your drive is stuck in MBR format and needs to be GPT? Doing this through Windows can be a total nightmare because native tools force you to completely wipe your drive and delete all your data. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert MBR to GPT using EaseUS Partition Master safely, quickly, and without losing a single file. To get started, go ahead and click the first link down in the description or pinned comment. That link will take you directly to the official EaseUS page where you can download the software for free. On the official page, click the free download button and open the downloaded installer from your web browser. Now you simply have to follow the on-screen instructions to get EaseUS Partition Master installed. When done, launch the software. You will see a clean layout showing all the hard drives and SSDs currently connected to your computer. On the left panel, select Disk Converter. Now we need to select the MBR to GPT disk conversion operation option. When done, click Next. Now your job here is to find the exact drive you want to convert. Take a look at the disk labels and confirm its current partition style. You will notice it clearly states MBR right next to the disk number. If you are converting a pure data drive, the free version handles this beautifully using our first link in the pinned comment. But if this is your main C drive holding your Windows operating system, this is where the Pro license is required to protect your boot files. If you haven't upgraded yet, make sure to grab that 50% off discount using the second link to unlock the feature instantly without losing your progress. You can also use my discount code ULTIMATE to slap extra 30% off. Once you have spotted the correct MBR drive, simply select it and click the convert button below. Now just sit back and let the software do its thing. Unlike Windows Disk Management, which forces you to delete your volumes, EaseUS is safely shifting the partition table structure while keeping every single one of your files completely intact. Once the progress bar hits 100%, click Done and you are officially done. Your drive is now safely converted to GPT and you are fully ready to upgrade to Windows 11 or get the absolute best performance out of your SSD. If this video saved you time and headache, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.